Hey everybody, it's Kip Johnson with Jones Group Realtors here today to share some good information with you on 9 secrets to sell your house for top dollar. Number 1, make sure your mailbox looks amazing. First impressions really matter in real estate, and curb appeal is first impression. Go ahead and look at your house of when somebody drives up to it and make sure that what they are seeing looks great. Is your driveway cracked? Is your mailbox broken? Is your front door look like it's in good shape? All those things really matter when you're really selling your house. Number 2, make the right use of your rooms. Is your dining room a kid's playroom? Is your office just a big storage room? The buyers want to see the use of the room in the right way. Make sure that there's a dining room table in your dining room. Make sure that there's a desk and an office chair in your office. This will help the buyer see what the room is supposed to be used for and imagine it that way for themselves. Number 3, reglaze your bathroom tile. The best tip I can give somebody is by doing simple, cheap updates on rooms like the kitchen and bathrooms. Those are the rooms that sell houses. And so if you have old pink or green tile in your bathroom, take a few $100 and reglaze it to a nice white, and it'll help you out tremendously in the sale process. Number 4, get the buyers to fall in love with your house. Do this by writing a letter. Be personal about your experiences in the house, how you raised your kids in the house, what you experienced through the neighbors. Be very personable, and then when you do write this letter, go ahead and frame it on the kitchen counter and leave it for the buyers to see. If you can connect with a buyer emotionally through this letter, they are more likely to pay top dollar for your home. Number 5, list under market value. Data shows that if you list 10% below market value, 75% of the buyer pool will view your home online or be attracted to your home. Whereas if you list 10% above market value, only 30% of your buyer pool will be attracted to your home. Sellers fear that not leaving room to negotiate leaves money on the table, which just isn't true. In fact, buyers are often motivated to bid by seeing other bids on your property, a dynamic that typically pushes bids above market value. Number 6, include insider information. Work with me to make your public remarks on your listing include some insider tidbits about the coffee shop that's down the street that's awesome, or a great burrito place, or the local library that's right down the street. These insider tips will help people imagine what they're going to experience at your house. Number 7, describe your neighborhood culture. Think of everything interesting you can about your neighborhood. Does your neighborhood throw great block parties? Do they have basketball games out in the cul-de-sac? Is there a neighborhood swimming pool? Doing this is going to connect with buyers, and if they have a kid that is a teenager that loves to play basketball, they're going to picture them playing basketball. If they have kids that love to go swimming, they're going to imagine that, and that in turn is going to get them to, again, fall in love even more with your home. Number 8, don't forget to list the house extras. What is special about your home? What have you done to improve your home? Do you have a camera doorbell? Do you have a phone-operated security system? Do you have a Nest system that you can control almost everything in your home by your phone? These little extras are going to make a buyer feel that they don't have to do any little updates, and that it's already been set up for them so that they can come in, offer top dollar, and get exactly what they want in their home. Number 9, the myth of 99. It's important when listing your home for sale that you choose the correct price on your home. I've written an article on this that I will post a link to in the bottom article. And it's all about not listing at numbers that end with a 99. This is because it's going to cut your buyer pool drastically in half. When you list at a price not like $99, $499 instead of $500, when people do searches online, they search up to whole numbers. And so if somebody's searching from 300 to 400,000, or 400,000 to 500,000, and then another party searching from 500,000 to 600,000, the latter one won't see your house if you list it at a $499 price. So listing at a whole number is going to help you out and get more people to actually look at your home. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these tips are useful for you. If you have any questions about the market, buying a home or selling a home, please reach out to me. Call me up, 971-645-2019, and ask me any question you want, or text me if you'd like to. Again, this is Kip Johnson with Jones Group Realtors, and I thank you for watching this video.